हेलो बच्चों, क्या हाल चाल? मस्त एकदम. So let's once again welcome to my class. Today we will discuss about shape of atomic orbitals. What is the shape of atomic orbitals? Students, there are four cells S, P, D and F. What is the shape of S, P, D, F subcell? Today we will know. So before discuss about shape of atomic orbital, know a thing. That thing is shape of atomic orbitals is a concept of the chapter 11th class chemistry, atomic structure. And another concept before know about shape of atomic orbital is quantum number. Quantum number is the starting of shape of atomic orbitals. So what is quantum number? Quantum number gives the accurate permanent address of each and every electrons. Quantum numbers are four types and elements have four quantum number. So first quantum number is principal quantum number denoted by small m. Second is azimuthal quantum number denoted by small l. Then magnetic quantum number denoted by small m and spin quantum number denoted by s. If student n value equal to 1, L value equal to 0. If n value equal to 2, L value equal to 0, 1. If n value equal to 3, L value equal to 0, 1, 2. If n value equal to 4, then L value equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. This is n value, this is L value. L value means azimuthal quantum number and principal quantum number. Then comes to magnetic quantum number. What is magnetic quantum number? Magnetic quantum number gives the proper orientations of each and every electron. Means student 0 S subcell, then 0 S subcell, 1 P subcell, 0 S P D, then 0 for S, then P, then D, then F subcell. These are the azimuthal quantum number value of this SPDF subcell. Then comes to magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number gives the proper orientations. Means S subcell contain one orbital. Orientations, there are one orientations possible in S subcell. So orientations is 0. This is one orientation. 0 means 0 is a digit. This is one orientations. And for P subcell, 3 orbitals. So 3 orientations possible in P subcell. This is one orientation. This is 3 orientations. Means in the 0, in the middle orientations is 0. Then plus 1. Then minus 1. Then comes to SP D subcell. D subcell have 5 orientations. Means 5 orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the middle orientations is 0. Then plus 1. Then plus 2. Then minus 1. Then minus 2. Then F have 5, 7 orbital. Then 7 orbitals means 7 orbital. In the middle 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And the formula to calculate the orientations is magnetic quantum number minus L2 plus L. Then students, these are principal, azimuthal, magnetic, then spin quantum number. Students, spin quantum number. If an orbital contains maximum 2 electron and that 2 electron present with opposite spin. This is this is clockwise spin, this is anti-clockwise spin. And clockwise spin value plus half, anti-clockwise spin value minus half. And that 2 electron present in an orbital is opposite spin, not same spin or not parallel spin. This is not. In this style, an electron present with an orbital. These are the fourth quantum number. Very short concept. to study about our shape of atomic orbitals. Then comes to shape of atomic orbital. First orbital is S. So what is the shape of S atomic orbitals? Azimuthal quantum number L value for S option is 0. M value, magnetic quantum number value 0. Means in S orbital, one cell is present in S orbitals in the electron nucleus. When electrons are revolved around the nucleus, first cell contains S subshell, and in S subshell one orbit is present, means in one cell. So the shape of atomic orbitals is spherical, not sphere, spherical, 3D diagram. So this is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So this is the shape of S orbital for x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Because of one orbit and one cell, there is no node. There is no node. Because of one cell present in the S atomic orbitals, so there is no node. What is node? Node is a spherical space where probability of finding electron is 0. This is one cell. There is no space in which we can find electron. There is no probability and there is no space to find an electron. So this is all about S atomic orbitals and all about the shape of S atomic orbitals. Come to P atomic orbitals. What is the shape of P atomic orbital? Students, azimuthal quantum number value, L value for P atomic orbitals is 1. M value, magnetic quantum number value for P atomic orbitals, means 3 orientations possible in P atomic orbitals. So P subshell contain 3 orbitals. In the 3 orientations possible, means in the middle 0, then +1, then -1. And students, P atomic orbitals are the shape of P atomic orbitals are dumbbell shape. Means in this time, these are dumbbell shapes. So this is one loop and this is 2 loops. When we combine 2 loops, one dumbbell is possible. So this is the shape of P atomic orbital. So for Px, what is the shape of Px atomic orbitals? So these are 3 axes. X, Y, Z. So for X, these are the shape of Px subset. Then Py. In the y-axis, we can draw a dumbbell shape. This is the shape of Py. Then Pz. These are the dumbbell shape diagram of Px orbitals. And students, there is 2 lobes, means one dumbbell shape present in P atomic orbitals, and a node, one node is present in the P atomic orbitals shape. So node is one node. In this also one node. In this also one node. What is node? Node is a space, students, where probability of finding electron is 0. Means in this place the probability of finding electron is 0. Means in this place nothing electron arises. These are all about P atomic orbitals and shape of P atomic orbitals. Students, come to D atomic orbitals. What is the shape of D atomic orbitals. L value for d subshell is 2 and m value d orbitals. D subshell contain 5 orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 orientations possible in D subshell. So in the middle 0, then plus 1, minus plus 1, plus 2, minus 1, minus 2. And in D atomic orbitals, double dumbbell shapes are arises. Means in this time, in P subshell, dumbbell shape, only dumbbell shape arises in P atomic orbitals, but in D atomic orbitals, double dumbbell shapes are arises. Means 4 loops present in D atomic orbital. Students, the 5 orbital names are dxy, dxz, dyz, then d x square minus y square, then d z square. These are the orbital names of D subset. So the shape of 4 orbitals means dxy, dyxz, dyz and dx square minus y square are same. Means 2 dumbbell shapes, double dumbbell shapes are present, but in case of dx square, the shape of dx square is something different according to this 4. So what is the shape of dxy? dxy means dumbbell shapes are present between x and y. So dumbbell, these are one dumbbell shapes, and perpendicular to this we can draw another dumbbell shapes. Students, these are the shape of dxy. Then dxz. X, Y, Z. Dumbbell shapes, double dumbbell shapes are present in X and Z. X and Z means in the Y axis. Dumbbell shapes are present. Then in the opposite side we can draw another dumbbell shapes. So these are the shape of dxz. Then comes to dyz. Dumbbell shapes are double dumbbell shapes are present between y and z axis. Y and z axis. In this place we can draw a dumbbell shapes, and in the opposite side we can draw another dumbbell shapes, and these are the shape of dxy orbitals. Then comes to dx square minus y square. X, Y, Z. Dumbbell shapes are present in the x axis and y axis. X axis and y axis. First x axis, then y axis. Students, these are the shape of 4 orbitals: dxy, dxz, dyz and dx square minus y square. Then comes to dz square. What is the shape of dz square? Something different according to this 4. So comes to dz square. What is the shape of dz square? Students, in the z axis one dumbbell shape is present and another half circle in the left side and another half circle also in right side. These are something different according to this four. These are the shape of dz square. So in all five orientations, the shape of atomic orbitals of these five orientations, two nodes is present in between axis. Two nodes is present where the probability of finding electron is 0. Two nodes. These are students all about shape of d atomic orbitals. Students, come to f atomic orbitals. What is the shape of f atomic orbital? The azimuthal control number value, L value for f subshell is 3. M value, f subshell contains 7 orbitals. 7 orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And because of 7 orbitals present in f subshells, 7 orientations possible. 7 orientations also possible in the f subshell. So magnetic quantum number value is -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. 7 orientations possible in this orbital. So the orbital lengths of f atomic orbitals are f x y z, f y z square, f x z square, f z square, f x x square minus y square, f y x square minus y square, and f x square minus y square. So these are the orbital lengths of f atomic orbitals. Students, the shape of f atomic orbitals is complicated. These are 3D diagram, and this is the 2D board. Because of 2D board, I cannot describe and draw the diagram of the f atomic orbitals because of absence of 3D space. So in the exam, questions are comes through these orbitals names. Questions are not comes through the shape of f atomic orbitals. So don't worry. Remember these 4 orbital lengths of the f atomic orbitals. These are all about shape of atomic orbitals, SPDF. What is the shape of all? So about my video, comment me. Any doubt, you can comment me. So these are all about shape. Thank you. Meet again with another concept.